So Imam al-Qayyim rahimahullah ta'ala talking on the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam guidance in purification, in wudu and tahara. So he brings that how did the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam perform his ibadah. That's amazing. Yani, when we talk about fiqh, we should always make sure, or in aqidah, when we're debating something or debating with our own self or studying, the first thing we should answer or we should question is, did the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam do this or not? Did he order us to do? Did he himself do? If there is a qawl, is there a fi'il, is there a action, is there a speech of the Prophet ﷺ regarding this matter? If there is, then we do it. If no, then we don't do it. So, hadiyat Rasulullah ﷺ fil ibadah. What is his hadiyah? What is this guidance of the Prophet ﷺ in ibadah? And number one, ibadah is tahara. Why tahara? Because in order for you to pray your salah, you need tahara. Just like for you to have tahara and to have ibadah, you need to have tawheed. And you don't have tawheed, how will you do it? So, Ibn Qayyim rahimahullah says, كان النبي صلى الله عليه وسلم يتوضأ لكل صلاة في غالب أحيانه. The Prophet صلى الله عليه وسلم used to make wudu in most of the time for every salah. Yani for every salah he used to make في غالب أحيانه. Most of the time he used to make wudu for his salah. كان النبي صلى الله عليه وسلم. Yani meaning that sometimes he used to make for every salah, sometimes he used to make one wudu and pray 2-3 salawat. وَرُبَّمَا صَلَّى الصَّلَوَاتِ بِوُضُوءٍ وَاحِدٍ. Sometimes he used to pray a lot of salawat, maybe dhuhr, asr, and maghrib with one wudu. So sometimes he used to make for every salah a new wudu, because it's tanaqad al-wudu. The wudu was nullified either by the air passing, either by going to the washroom, yani having a defecation or having urination. So if these three things occurred, you make a new wudu, or light ejaculation. طيب. So the Prophet ﷺ used to make wudu for every salah, sometimes new wudu for every salawat, and sometimes he used to make salah one wudu and pray different salawat at once, and not at once, meaning at different salawat with one wudu. Okay. And رواه Muslim, and this hadith is Muslim. وكان النبي صلى الله عليه وسلم يتوضأ بالمد تارة وبثلثيه تارة. Sometimes the Prophet صلى الله عليه وسلم used to make wudu with a mud of water, one mud of water. One mud meaning the Arabs used to have a container, and in the modern times it is about 680 liters, 0.680. Yani it's about more than a half liter, 0.68 milliliter. So that is the measurement. Yani a bit more than half a liter. It is not a liter, but a bit more than half a liter. So half a liter is about 500. So this is about 680. أو بثلثيه, sometimes 2/3 of it. That is about 480 milliliters of water. So sometimes it used to be 680 milliliters of water. Sometimes it used to be about 480 milliliters of water, near to a half a liter of water. He used to make wudu.